Hey there, today we're going to be going over how to stream from your Android or IRL Pro onto your OBS, and this will work whether you're on the same Wi-Fi, and we'll also be going over how to make this work if you were to go outside, like on a different network or on data. So first, let's go over how to stream from your Android to your OBS on the same Wi-Fi network. What we need to do first is go to OBS Tools and WebSocket Server Settings. Then go to Show Connect Info. And here we can see our OBS's IP address. Then what you want to do on your Android phone is download an app called IRL Pro. It's free and I'll leave a link to it in the description. But what we want to do is go to the settings icon here, go to connections, and we are going to be adding a new destination to be our OBS. First, we can put any name here. So I'm going to say OBS. And next for the URL, what we want to do is put SRT / and then the IP address that we have here. So mine is 192.244. And after we have that set here, it should be the same number as on the OBS. We want to put the ports, so it's going to be :7654. And I'll also leave this in the description. When we're done with that, click next and click save. Make sure it's selected and go back. Now that that's set up, we're going to be adding the input into OBS. One thing to make sure of here is that the enable authentication is not selected, and go ahead and click OK. Then we're going to add a new source, media source, and click OK. Here, uncheck the local file, and for the input, what it has to be is SRT 0.0.0.07654 mode equals listener. And I'll leave this in the description so you can easily copy paste it in. And for the type, we're going to put MPEG TS, which I'll also put in the description. Go ahead and click OK, and we're all good to go. Now all we need to do is go live from IRL Pro. And just like that, our OBS has our video data from the Android. Perfect. And so this will work if both your Android and your computer's OBS is on the same Wi-Fi network. So if you go outside, this won't work. But if that's all you need, then this will work for you. Now let's go over how to make this work when you go outside for IRL streams on a different network, or how to deal if you lose connection when there's spotty signal. And so what you need for this is something called a cloud-hosted server. And what I recommend is the best, most popular one, which is called Streamable. And now I can show you how to make this work in under a minute. All we need to do is launch our server. So let's go ahead and do that. And this will take less than a minute. This here is the dashboard where you can control your stream. And what we want to do is connect our Android. And it's actually really easy. All we need to do is go over to the IRL Pro Android input and scan this from the camera app. Go into the camera app and scan this QR code. What it will do is automatically add the destination for us, and we'll set our connection to be that input and go live. And just like that, now our cloud-hosted server has this input. Here is a compressed preview, and if we go to open remote OBS, here we have a better preview of it. And now if I click start stream here, it will start streaming to whatever platform we set it to. There can be anything like Twitch, Kick, YouTube, whatever you want. And now let's say we're streaming and we lose connection, like we go into some place that doesn't have the best signal, which happens a lot when you're IRL streaming. So I will emulate this by turning off our connection. What Streamable will do for you is actually automatically switch to your ingest offline. And here it shows your clips with connection loss, be right back. Now if we turn back on the Wi-Fi and resume streaming, it will automatically switch back to your ingest scene. So just like that, your viewers will now see your Android video data again. And if you did not have this cloud-hosted streaming server, then your stream on Twitch or Kick would just end and all your viewers will be lost. And yeah, with this, you can IRL stream from anywhere, without any worries or issues. But again, this is only if you need to IRL stream outside. If you're just on the same network, like you're only at home, then the first method will work just fine for you. Anyways, that's about it. I hope that was helpful, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.